Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Greece selects Embraer C390 Millennium in €600 million deal to replace C130H Hercules transport fleet from 2027. Greece will acquire 3 Embraer C390 Millennium military transport aircraft in a €600 million program to replace its C130H Hercules fleet. Defense Minister Nikos Dendias announced the decision on the 23rd of July after approval by the Government Council for Foreign Affairs and Defense. The aircraft will be purchased through an intergovernmental agreement with Portugal. The estimated €600 million value includes personnel training and other associated services. The first Greek C390 is scheduled for delivery in 2027. Athens plans to have all 3 aircraft in service by 2030. Greece is also considering a follow-on purchase of 3 additional C390s. Such an order would increase the planned fleet to 6 aircraft. Portugal has ordered 6 C390s for its own requirements and holds options with Embraer for as many as 10 additional aircraft. The Greek acquisition is expected to draw on part of that optional allocation. The arrangement gives Portugal a role in expanding C390 adoption beyond its own air force. It also provides Greece with a government-to-government route for replacing its aging Hercules transport capability. Support for the Greek aircraft is expected to involve Hellenic aerospace industry. The company signed a memorandum with Embraer on the 22nd of May 2026 covering support for C390 operations. The selection extends the C390's presence among international military operators. Before the Greek decision, air forces in 11 countries had already selected the Brazilian-built transport aircraft. Those customers include Brazil, the Czech Republic, Portugal, the Netherlands, Austria and Slovakia. Sweden, South Korea, Lithuania, Uzbekistan and the United Arab Emirates have also selected the aircraft. For Greece, the program represents a phased replacement of its C130H Hercules fleet rather than a one-time acquisition. The initial 3 aircraft order, combined with the option for 3 more, creates a potential 6 aircraft C390 fleet over the longer term. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.